Here comes the train. Check it out. I'll show you where he is. He's right there. He's coming right for the crossing right now. Roll it. The light should be turning on any second now. There go the gates. We'll keep it rolling now. I'll show you where he is though, as long as I don't get in trouble, because some teacher of mine is being a jerk. Telling me that I can't film trains, and I can. And I want. But there it goes. Hold on, I'll let this truck go by first. I'll show that crossing right there for a second. Alright, there you go, you can see it now. So now he's crossing over to the main line. So yeah, get that. See what that's like? So now we're gonna go back over here again, and we're gonna get him again when he comes. I think I hear a helicopter. I'll have to show you that real quick, since the train's still coming. Might not be able to see it, but he's right there. As you see right there, that's the 3T2220 siren. One of them out of the two that are in town, and none of them work, sadly. But there's a 2001 SRN by the pool, and that works just fine. But there you go, there's the helicopter. That's a helicopter probably going to Minneapolis. So this video is pretty much dedicated to a train and a helicopter. Pretty cool, huh? And if you like the video and watch the whole thing, please give it a like, because I post them on Facebook all the time. My videos now, because I don't do it on YouTube no more. And here he comes. There go the gates. And there he goes. Alright, I'm gonna call it for part 2. Thanks for watching. You might not have heard me, but I'll say it again. That is going to be it for part 2. Thanks for watching.